Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make honeysuckle tea in many different ways. Honeysuckle has many benefits and it is well known for treating inflammation in the body. It works wonders for relieving headaches and migraines. It lowers inflammation and soothes the stomach. It can also work with arthritis. It also works as a detoxifier, especially for the blood and liver. It also has immune boosting properties and contains powerful antioxidants. It's rich in vitamin C and is a great source of quercetin, which is an acid that fights free radicals in the body. It can also help with cold, cough, and flu. Not only is honeysuckle an expectorant, but it's known as a natural antibiotic that protects against a broad spectrum of bacteria and viruses, including strep, staph, salmonella, pneumonia, tuberculosis, and more. Also, it's used in Chinese medicine to treat fevers. There are many different ways you can make this tea. One of those methods is sun brewing. This is where you soak the tea in room temperature water under the sun for up to 3 to 4 hours. You can also soak it for up to 6 hours. This is one of the best and our preferred method for the most flavorful tea. Also, if you want that natural sweetness out of the tea, this would be your go-to method. Try this tea out as it has many benefits and fights many illnesses. The second method is to refrigerate it. For this method, you soak the tea in room temperature water and leave it in the fridge for up to 6 to 8 hours overnight, and it will be ready for you to drink it the next morning. You can also boil or steep the tea. For the boiling method, you would just bring the water to a boil, add honeysuckle, and turn off the flame. Leave it for about 5 minutes and the tea should be ready. The steeping method is very similar. You can steep the tea in a mug for about 5 minutes by adding boiling water. These two methods would be the quickest way to make this tea. The best part is you can also drink this as an iced tea in the summer. It tastes amazing if you add a little bit of maple syrup or honey. Our kids really enjoyed the iced tea and it is so simple and fun to make. Do give it a try if you get the chance, and don't forget to like and subscribe for future recipes. See you next time on Food and Spices.